Hi, Ivan.
Hi.
What was it today's special?
I made a foosball team
Where is it?
right here.
Where did you go to make it?
Home Depot.
Look here and talk, please.
Home Depot.
Oh, your ball fell down. Grab it. Yeah. Okay. So did you make it?
Yes.
How did you make it? What all did they give you?
A screw.
It's not screws. It's nails.
Nails.
You hammered it.
Yeah, handle it.
Mm.
And then got two like hole things, and then put right here and here, and then we hammered.
Then what else did you do? You hammered the nails and then.
We hammered this too.
Mm-hmm.
And this. So then we put stickers in the middle.
Okay. And
right here.
on the players. Yeah.
And on the players.
Yeah.
And then the game is ready, and you have to like hit it over here.
Okay. And did you get what else did you get? I see something here. What is it?
This is
Completion badge?
badge.
Can you show it? Just no need of opening here. Yeah, good. And you got a certificate too for doing it?
Yeah. Center of
Certificate of achievement.
achievement. This.
That's fine. You turn it around and show it. No, turn it to the camera. No, that's fine. Yeah. Yay, good job. Do you recommend people to go and do this workshop?
Yeah.
Look here.
Yeah.
You want to say, please go and what do you want to say?
Please go to right now and please like and subscribe my channel and say bye guys.
Yeah, look there. Oh, it's okay. That one you do properly. Yeah, that's it.
I know that.
Start with the side.
Oh, they're phone
The
people.
bottom.
Take the hammer.
Right, and then you put in
So,
six nails.
so these are phones.
Keep it straight. It's not straight.
Just read it.
There's the other one.
Wait. It's slow first. Okay, that should do. Take one more nail and do. Yeah. Press it.
There you go, like you did before.
Make it
Line up
straight.
the corner.
Yeah. Yeah. And slow first. Slow. Hold it.
Alright, so you know what we need to do next? You know what we need to do next? Do you want to paint? Stop. Do you want to paint it?
You bang your hand.
We have to put people on the stick first.
Okay.
How are you enjoying it?
Good. It's so much fun.
Yeah. Okay, do. Show the goal player. put it to the corner nicely. Yeah, good. Don't pull it out. It's okay. It's okay. Put it from the start. Yeah, like that. Don't stick it before you reach it. Done. He's facing to that side. Ready?
Top and the bottom. Nice and straight. That's good.
Wait, let me start the game. Wait, 1 minute. Can you stop? Stand here. Wait. Okay, start. Push it from that side. You're hitting yourself? Okay, we'll go home and play. You liked it? Can you give a thumbs up to Home Depot?
What do you want to do? You painted this top. Do you want to do this purple like the side? Yes. Let's give it a paint.
Let's put this side of the board. Alright, let's just shot the ball.
Hold it. At the back, yeah.
You don't want red and white?
So Ivan painted it brown.